All right. Um, so about 45 minutes ago, three of us were eating on the front porch. I heard more of the two thump thump. Um, I'm still working on the back porch. I was doing the biochromatic dusting of the smaller handprints on the bedroom window, that back porch. Whatever this is leaving large greasy handprints and has had us chasing our tail all day. We're out working. If I'm working somewhere and we all just happen to be out front for whatever reason, it gets us to come back and it's been leaving new prints. And this has all been too much. It's unbelievable. It's 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 exhausting. I can't.
Busy. He's a busy guy.
Yeah, and it's exhausting for all of us. It blows our mind. So during dinner, she noticed that camera trap over there of the four currently they're running was askew. He just went over and checked it, and what'd you discover?
Card's missing.
Card's missing. That camera's pointing over here,
Yeah.
and that's about the third time cards have been out.
We've had a couple stolen or fall out, whatever happens.
Yeah, something is coincidentally the same time when there's activity that's compelling. Well, it's on camera because the camera's right there. Something's happened to the camera. Something's opened it, popped batteries, pulled SD cards out. They'll just be on the ground, or just take the SD card. I don't know SD card thieves. Usually they would take the whole camera.
Yeah, you think so?
And of course the event isn't caught. I don't even believe myself if I was to see these videos. It's, but we're collecting the physical evidence. And our experiences here are incredible. It's exhausting. The reverse tape here, it would have been really compelling. I forgot some of that hair right there. I don't see any right now, but it's the Alba Vernix Curiosity Catcher 2.0, and there is handprints on there. And the homeowner alerted us as she walked into the garage, saw, I guess, absence of light move across. And yeah, there is a mark up there. And the new attraction for this window is about 7 days ago, they put a hot tub in right there. Yeah, they're peeping Toms. Anything else you can think of?
No.
This is all right. Thank you very much.
All right.